Are you searching for a healthy snack option? Well, you're in luck. Today we're making healthy oat crackers, a versatile and nourishing snack that's both easy to make and delicious to eat. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of organic oats, half a cup of whole wheat flour, a quarter cup of flax seeds and sesame seeds each, and a quarter cup of raisins. To sweeten things up, we're adding a quarter cup of either honey or maple syrup. We'll also need a quarter cup of coconut oil to bring everything together, and for a touch of warmth and flavor, we're adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a quarter teaspoon of sea salt. With these wholesome ingredients, we're not only making a snack that tastes good, but also one that's good for you. Sounds delicious, right? Let's dive into the preparation process. Get your oven heated to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a non-stick baking tray. Now let's dive into the heart of this recipe: the dough preparation. To begin, gather a large bowl and combine 1 cup of organic oats, a half cup of whole wheat flour, a quarter cup each of flax seeds and sesame seeds, and the same amount of raisins. Stir these dry ingredients together until they're evenly mixed. This blend provides a hearty, grainy texture and a subtle sweetness from the raisins, making the base of our crackers flavorful and nutritious. Next, we're going to introduce some moisture and bind these dry ingredients together. Drizzle in a quarter cup of either honey or maple syrup and the same amount of coconut oil. Use a wooden or rubber spatula to mix everything together until a cohesive dough starts to form. The sweetness of the honey or maple syrup pairs beautifully with the richness of the coconut oil, creating a delightful harmony of flavors. Now it's time to season our dough. Sprinkle in a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a quarter teaspoon of sea salt. Continue to mix until these seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the dough. The cinnamon adds a warm, spicy note, while the sea salt enhances the overall flavor and balances out the sweetness. Once your dough is well mixed, lightly flour a clean surface and turn out the dough onto it. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough to a thickness between 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. The thickness of the dough will determine the texture of the crackers. Thinner dough results in crispier crackers, while thicker dough yields a more robust, chewy texture. Now that our dough is ready, we move on to the next step: shaping and baking. Stay tuned as we transform this humble dough into delicious golden brown oat crackers that you'll be proud to serve at your next gathering or enjoy as a wholesome snack. It's time to give shape to our healthy oat crackers. First, we need to create the perfect thinness for our crackers. To do this, lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough until it's about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. Next, we'll cut our dough into equal-sized squares or rectangles. Remember, the size of your crackers can be as big or as small as you'd like. Just ensure they're uniform for even baking. Once you've got your cracker shapes ready, let's get them onto the baking tray. Be sure to leave some space between each cracker to allow for good air circulation and even baking. Now, it's time to bake. Slide your tray into a preheated oven and let those crackers cook until they're golden and crisp. This should take around 15 to 20 minutes. But keep an eye on them. Every oven is unique, and you wouldn't want to burn your freshly made crackers. After they've achieved that beautiful golden color, take the crackers out of the oven and let them cool. Patience is key here. Your crackers need to cool completely before you can dig in. This will ensure they're perfectly crisp and ready to be enjoyed. And voila! Your healthy oat crackers are ready to be savored. Whether you're pairing them with a hearty soup or enjoying them on their own, these crackers are sure to delight. These oat crackers are not just tasty, but also loaded with health benefits. The organic oats provide fiber and essential nutrients, while the whole wheat flour adds extra fiber and protein. Flax seeds and sesame seeds offer healthy fats and antioxidants. Raisins bring a touch of natural sweetness and additional fiber. Feel free to mix things up by adding your favorite spices or swapping the raisins for other dried fruits. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy these delicious and healthy oat crackers. Happy snacking!